Hello guys, welcome to today's video. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Chantel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you guys get notified on when I post my videos. I'm trying to post every Wednesday and Friday. So today we are doing a full glam look for Valentine's Day. So we are going to play it with the beautiful Morphe 39A palette. This is so special to me. Like, I am absolutely in love with this palette. It's my go-to when I go and do makeup for clients. So as you can see, it is very versatile. You've got the beautiful brown neutral shades for just a beautiful, like, soft bridal look. You've also got some really pretty blues and some greens, and we've also got these brights here. That is what I'm working with today. So we're going to work with these purple shades. I'm so excited. So I've already done my brows, and I've already moisturized and prepped my skin ready to go. So I'm just going to move and do the concealer for my eyes, and we're just using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. If you guys have seen my review, you would know that I am literally in love with this concealer. I am obsessed. Like, I just cannot get my hands off it. So yeah, we're going to use this, and then I'm just going to set my eyes with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Hello darling, do you want to be on my channel? Hold on, I'll get my baby. Say hi. Oh, he's so cute, aren't you? This is my baby, Shaggy. He hates cameras. He is so camera shy. Aren't you, sugar? Oh, my cutie. Yeah. Hi. I'll put you down now. It's actually so funny because in my video this time last year, I was actually wearing a bun in my hair, and I think I had hoops in. I'm not quite sure actually. And it's just so funny just looking back, like how much someone can change in a year. Like, I did a purple pink look, and like my winged liner was not the best. But it's just so funny how, like, you can just grow so much. It's honestly true how they say practice makes perfect. So we're going to start off with a beautiful, it's like an orange, burnt kind of orange brown shade as a transition. And I'm just going to put that all over the lid. So now I'm going to be taking this like beautiful, it's like a fuchsia pinky bright purple shade, and what I'm going to do is just pack it on first, and then I'm going to blend it out. And I'm just like kind of packing it on my crease, because I am doing a cut crease look today. This color is so pretty. Damn, she pigmented, bitch. I did post a mini little tutorial on my Instagram for the natural kind of girls out there. So if you guys don't follow me, it's just Chantel's Makeup and Beauty. I'll put it right here, and also have a link in my description box as well. But it was just a very like soft and very like pretty pink neutral kind of look, with just some very natural lashes. But I thought I wouldn't put it on YouTube because it's really easy, so I just made a little video for Instagram. and do the full glam look on YouTube. I'm living for this color. It's like a beetroot. That's what it's reminding me of, like a beetroot shade. Like, it is so pretty. So now I'm going to just take the shade next to it, which is more of like a browny purple, and what I'm going to do is just put that on my crease. So now I'm going to just take this beautiful dark purple, and I'm going to just target this on the outer crease in the corner, and just slightly build it up to the middle of the crease. Just to blend it out a little bit, but we're mainly just focusing on this area. So now I'm just trying to blend it all, and I went in with the orange shade and just going over the top of all that, and you just want to be really soft with your hand, and you kind of just want to build that shape. So I'm bringing it out quite a little bit, not too much, and just blending that dark purple. Okay, so now we're going to cut the crease, and I'm just going to use a flat little synthetic brush, just like this. This is just a very cheap one. I think I got this from Kmart, and I was using it as like a lip brush, but I just purchased a new lip brush, so I'm going to try this as my cut crease brush, and going in with my Fenty concealer. Oh, actually no. I'm going to try out my white concealer by Colourpop. So I've actually never tried this for a cut crease concealer, but it's like literally white. And I did get it for this, and I've just been a bit scared to try it. You know what? I'm going to give it a whirl. Today is the day, going all out. Alright. I like it. I actually really like this brush. That was so easy to do. Like, hello? Wow, okay. Highly recommend that. That is so good. Wow. Amazing. Okay, so now for this bit right here, I'm just going to put this beautiful bright, it's like a coral, but I really don't know how to explain it. It's just like a real bright shade, and I'm going to just like pack this on. I might get some Fix Plus for this. So now for the exciting part, I'm going to take this beautiful MAC pigment. This is in the shade Copper, and it is literally just a beautiful copper glittery shade, and I'm just going to put some of the Too Faced glitter glue before I put this on. It's quite a difficult procedure. And I just spent about 10 minutes trying to open that MAC pigment because it's brand new. Oof. She's looking good. Alright. Ooh, those reflexes. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see that. Wow. So now I'm just going to add some liner and lashes, and I'm going to take my Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner. This is just the mini set. And I'm also going to be playing with these beautiful lashes. These are the Holy Grail lashes, and these are in the style Lust. Super pretty. Can't wait to put these on and try them out. I mean, who else is loving that song at the moment? I mean, Ariana Grande. Ooh, you are on fire, honey. So lashes are on, and I'm just going to do my face now and leave under my eyes till last. So I'm just going in with my ColourPop foundation. I am in the shade Light 45. Absolutely in love with this foundation, and I'm just going to apply it with a brush. This foundation is so good. It is just so affordable, and it's honestly one of the best foundations I've ever used, and I've used quite a lot of foundations. So yeah, move these big ass hoops out of the way. So I never ever usually apply my foundation with a brush, but I'm actually loving it lately. I don't know. I just am one of those lazy people, like, whoa, I look really white right now. Got a little bit of a tan from Bali, because this is normally too dark for me, and now it's looking ghostly, but it's alright. I'll put some powder over the top and she'll be right. Now for concealer, and I'm using my Fenty as usual. Okay, so I have set under my eyes, and I'm going in with my Australis Fresh and Flawless powder. Hopefully this is going to darken me up a little bit and add some colour to this face. This is the shade Deep Natural as well, and I have hit pan on this. I am absolutely in love with this. It's my favourite powder in the whole entire universe. If you don't have it, then girl, you're missing out, because oh, it makes the skin like just look perfect. Like, it makes your skin look like you're a doll. Like, it's so good. So still looking ghostly, but oh well, it's just gonna have to do for today. And I'm going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I've been testing this out for about a week now, and I'm literally in love. Like, I normally use my Hoola bronzer by Benefit, but I think I kind of like this better, which is saying a lot because Hoola bronzer was my favorite, but I'm just really loving this bronzer. Like, it just blends out so nice, smells amazing. I just love the shade of it. So pretty. So now I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me blush. This is in the shade Coral, and put that all over my cheeks. Because I've kind of got like the copper going on, I think I'm going to do a gold highlighter, and I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is in molten gold. I love this highlighter so much. This is a great dupe for the Fenty Beauty one. I do have the Fenty Beauty one and I actually like this better. Yep, I said it. Maybelline's better. I'm sorry, but it is. Okay, so the face is all done and we're going to move on to under the eyes, and I'm going to take the bright pink beetroot shade and put that under my eye. Okay, so for lips I'm going in with the NARS Let's Go Crazy Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. Pretty sure that this is a mini and I've actually never tried this before, so this should be interesting. Wow, that is a really nice shade. And then I'm just going in with this Peaches and Cream lip gloss. It is so pretty, and I'm just going to put that like in the middle. Alright guys, this is the final finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys can recreate this look. Let me know in the comments if you would actually wear this out on a date. Hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's, and I will see you guys soon. Bye! Mwah.